Hi everybody, Shawnee here. Thank you to 915 subscribers. Thank you guys, it's awesome. I'm glad that you find my material interesting. This video is just to say thank you. I know I haven't been doing as many videos as I did last year, but life got in the way. So I do plan on doing more videos. But the thing is I'm actually going to go on to a different platform. I am in the middle of doing two projects, and I really want to focus on them, but I do want to share what I'm doing, as well as do videos. So if you want to see my live stream, I am going to have a channel up on Twitch, and the information will be down below. It might pop up somewhere. Anyways, I'll give you the information. I will most likely just do one day a week. It might be 2 or 3 depending on how my schedule is. But then again, I've been so busy with work and doing a lot of overtime and la. So, I will definitely be doing one day a week for sure. And then I'll have maybe like special live streams or whatnot. We'll be doing some how-to videos on YouTube, but they're not going to be as many because really I want to focus on building apps and kind of showing you how I implement certain things, especially if I don't know how to do something. I'll show you kind of how I go about the process of learning something new, taking my notes, because I take notes all the time, and then implementing it into my project. And typically I do like a little tiny project implementing it, and then I try to implement it in something that I want to work in. So get out your handy pen, and usually what I do is I basically just have a graph notepad. You don't have to use a graph notepad, but I like to use it because with graph notepads, if you do, I typically make notes. I know it's kind of old school, but typically if I want to write code, you can use it with quad ruled, which is with quad ruled, it's really easy to do the tabbing and staying in line, so it makes it really clear. So that's one thing I wanted to share with you, is how I kind of learn how to do something. Typically I won't write all the code out, but if it's something that I really need to get into my brain, something that I'm totally not familiar with or haven't used very often or at all, and I want to remember how to do it, I write it down. It's old school, but it friggin' works. So, again, I just got this at the Office Depot, just like, you can get it, just go to an office store that sells like notepads. I particularly like these because you can like fold them. You can fold it, which is nice. But yeah, that's what I do. I have tons of these, and I continuously go back to my notes. And then I also like, write where I find things at, because you find some really good code here and there, and you're like, oh wait, I wrote that down somewhere. I have tons of files in my computer, and sometimes it's so hard to find something. Another thing I do is, I don't have it on this one, but I leave one page blank, the first page, so I can write a table of contents, which I didn't do for this one. But another pad, I have like table of contents, so I like write out kind of where things are at, and I also number the pages. So just a little how-to. You could take, my tips if you want, but there you go. Anyways, so thank you, all 915 of you. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. And if you want to continue to see some of my work, definitely check me out on Twitch. All right. Thanks, you guys.